Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my channel Best Jewel Collections. So friends, I hope you all are fine and doing well in your homes. So as you can see that today I'm here to rescue such a very beautiful collection of Peplum Blouses for you, and I hope that you like this beautiful and attractive video on my channel as well. Guys, it's a very new video and it's a very new fashion video for ladies and for women as well. So as you can see that in my video, you can see it says Peplum Blouses, and it's a very new collection. So don't please watch this video till the end. Don't skip this video. Thank you so much you are watching my videos, and who has been watching my videos, my favorite videos as well. It's a very new video, and it's a very new video of your blouses and your that frock shaped blouses as well. So guys, you can purchase them from anywhere, whether you are in a market or any type of shop or any type of market. So you can purchase in cheap prices as well, but it's up to you that how could you purchase and how could you wear. And you can wear them anywhere, whether you're going to that casual birthday party or any type of party or any concert or farewell. So you can wear these type of peplum blouses on your house jeans as well, and you can wear your coat shoes as well. So guys, please subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing my all videos, and thank you so much for your love and for your support as well. And if you are interested in my video and if you want to see more about these type of fashion ideas, then tell me in the comment box, and inshallah next time I'll bring the exact and the latest fashion for you as well. So please keep subscribing, keep liking, keep sharing my channel. And guys, if you're interested in my video and if you're enjoying this video as well, subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing all videos, and share this video with your friends and with your family members as well. And guys, it's a very new video, and you can see some stylish peplum blouses as well, and these you can also say that but tees also. So peplum tees and they are available on any shop, and you can purchase them easily, not that tough, because they are available on any market and on any shop as well. So please keep subscribing to my channel. As usual, you are subscribing to my channel and you are supporting me. Thank you so much guys, and I hope that next time you'll support me too. So guys, my video almost has been ended. Take care of yourself and your family. Hope to see you soon inshallah with a new video and with a new fashion. Take care. Allah Hafiz guys. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye.